Hi, thanks for looking at what's new with the Network Canvas software. In Architect, we've refined the design of the app. We now use modal windows to keep you oriented as you move through different tasks. We use sticky headers to keep relevant content in view at all times. We've also reorganized and refined many parts of the app, such as the network filtering section, the node and edge type selector, and the Sociogram prompt editor. Optional features can now be toggled on or off, and required sections are indicated by an asterisk. We've enhanced the way you work with variables. Variables now have a consistent visual representation, which we call the variable pill. The variable pill uses color and an icon to quickly tell you the type of the variable, and is used wherever a variable is used within Architect. There's also a new variable picker, which lets you quickly create a new variable or find an existing one. Simply type into the search box to filter the list, or create a new variable based on what you typed. It supports using the keyboard to navigate and select, making it much faster. We also finally introduced the ability to rename variables. Wherever you see a variable pill, you can click when your cursor shows the text icon to edit the variable name right there and then. Finally, there's a brand new look to the new stage screen, which is designed to help you quickly find the right interface for your interview. You can search using keywords, title, or description, and either click or use the keyboard to select a result from the list. You can also filter the list by the capabilities of the interfaces, which may be useful if you know the data you want to collect, but aren't sure of all the ways it can be done. In Interviewer, we're introducing an entirely new interface for roster data. It's been designed to replace the previous two roster interfaces and combines their features into one new consistent experience suitable for rosters of any size. Roster data is presented to the participant in the left-hand column in the form of customizable cards. These cards can be sorted or searched through according to your needs. To nominate a roster member and bring it into the interview, the participant simply drags the card from the left to the right. If the roster is too large to meaningfully display, Interviewer requires the participant to enter a search term before rendering any cards. Any protocols upgraded to Schema version 6 will use this new interface if they contain the old interfaces. We're also introducing an exciting new layout mode for the Sociogram interface. When enabled, the automatic layout mode uses a force-directed layout to position nodes around the screen. This layout runs in real time continuously and responds to dragging nodes and creating edges dynamically. We've also improved the way you manage session data, with a new full-screen overlay accessible from the Start screen. This overlay lets you select sessions that have been exported or are yet to be exported, and then either delete them or begin the export process. When exporting sessions, you can now confirm the export options to ensure the data arrives in the format that you are expecting. Before we finish, a quick note on the future of the project. We're at the end of the period of funded active development for this version of the software. These will be the last releases to contain new features, but this does not mean that the project's over. We'll continue to fix bugs and support our community of users for the foreseeable future. We're also pushing forward this work in new ways we hope to be able to share with you soon. As a reminder, all source code for all 3 Network Canvas apps is publicly available on our GitHub page and is ready for you to modify or extend however you wish to continue the work that we've begun. Thank you.